Hi guys, my name is Joshua. I'm a chartered accountant based in London. Today I want to teach you guys how to merge two colons on Excel. So in my example, I've got colon C and colon D. Colon C is the first name and colon D is the surname. So you imagine you want to merge those two colons to have both names in one colon really. So what you do really is just come to the first name and just impute the equal to sign and then type in concat. Just then you select this function, then select the first name and then comma and then space and then impute the sign and then space and impute that same sign again and then comma and then impute the just select the surname and then click enter. Now you can see we have John Smith as one cell and one colon. So now what you do is just drag down the formula for all the data really and it just populates. Now you can see we have Richard Seaver, as Richard Seaver in one colon, as opposed to two colons, So that's how you really merge two colons, into one on Excel really. So if this is your first time of watching my videos, please subscribe, for more videos in the future. Thanks so much. Bye.